Edit items. In this video, I'll show you how to run your gets in a parallel mode. So we have here a massive form with 32 page breaks, 32 pages in the page break, and tons of gets and pushes from Salesforce and a lot of conditional logic on the fields. And one of the requirements here was that once the user lands on this page, we will run a lot of gets from Salesforce. And this was taking a little bit too long. So let me show you what we do here. So if I head to the advanced and into the Salesforce action, we will see all the gets that we're running. So we've added an option here to execute the get in parallel mode. So first, before I check this off, let me show you how this does. So I'm going to log into the form and search for UAT. Let's see. And now we're going to hit next page. Before then, I'm just going to enable the network and we'll hit next page. And now all of our gets are running. So it's about 15 gets from Salesforce. And it took 6.28 seconds to do it. Now, if I'll head back to my form and hit execute get in parallel and hit apply and hit save. Now we're just going to wait for it to save. And now let's go ahead and refresh our form. And load up our user again. And we're going to enable the network and hit next. So that took 2.59 seconds. So it's a dramatic difference between the two methods. And the only thing we had to do here is just check the execute get in parallel. This will work also whenever you run your custom gets. So let's say we have so if we have here, let's say you have a condition on this field. So we're going to go to the element and go to conditioning, and we'll do set conditions. And we'll say current field is not empty and click to configure the conditions and say Salesforce action and hit configure. So you will not see it initially, but if I'll add two gets, and we will be able to use the execute get in parallel. So that works wherever you execute the Salesforce action and you have more than two, you have that option. And this is how it's done.